Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Linux World with GK. My name is Gautam Kumar and I am a senior Linux administrator. This is my day 4 video of Ansible 0 to 0 series, and in this video I am going to explain you ad hoc commands in Ansible. The content of this video will be objectives. What is ad hoc command in Ansible? Performing tasks with modules using ad hoc commands, running arbitrary commands on managed host, configuring connection for ad hoc commands. So before starting this video, I want to tell you the objectives of this video. So once you complete this video, you should able to run a single Ansible automation task for ad hoc command and explain some use case for ad hoc commands. So let's get started. What is ad hoc commands in Ansible? Ad hoc command is a way of executing a single task quickly, one that you do not need to save to run again later. They are simple online operations that can be run without writing playbook. Ad hoc commands are useful for quick tasks and changes. For example, you can use ad hoc commands to make sure that a certain line exists in etc host files on a group of server. Another example is like you want to reboot the server, you want to do some package updates. So for quick task, you can run ad hoc commands. So syntax of ad hoc command is uh, here like Ansible host pattern minus sorry hyphen m module then in a square bracket hyphen a module arguments. After that, in a square bracket, hyphen I inventory. So the host pattern argument is used to specify the managed host on which ad hoc commands will be run. It could be a specific managed host or host group in inventory that I already um, explained. So the second is hyphen M module. So hyphen M module option takes an argument, the name of module that Ansible should be run on the target host. Modules are a small program that are executed to implement your task. Some modules need no additional information, but other needs additional argument to specify the details of their operation. So we can use hyphen A option to enter the additional argument of the modules in a square bracket under single quote. So I will show you the examples of these ad hoc commands. So you can see here uh, Ansible or hyphen M ping. So ping is a module and ping module doesn't require any additional argument. So I have not added any additional argument. And let me show you this ping module example on my demo server. So here you can see this is my demo server V1 and let me- yeah, this is my directory where I do the hands-on for the Ansible video. So let me run Ansible all minus ping. Yes, you can see the response is ping pong. So ping module doesn't require any additional arguments, so I have not provided. Here all is host pattern, and I have not added hyphen I inventory because I am in current directory where my inventory file is located. If your inventory file is in different location, then you need to add here hyphen I, then path of the inventory file. Okay. So let me show you some more examples. Like you can run. This is another example. Here I have used command module. So if you want to run some command on remote host, you can use command module or you can also use shell module. So let me run this ad hoc command. You can see the output and you can also see the uptime. Uptime is 22 minutes. So in this way, you can run the ad hoc command and you can perform some quick tasks on remote host. So I will move to the next section of this video, and the next section is performing tasks with module using ad hoc command. Already I have shown you some example, but here I will show you some more example with some more options. So modules are tools that ad hoc command used to accomplish the task, and Ansible provide hundred of modules which do different things. You can usually find a special purpose module that does what you need as a part of the standard installation, and you can use Ansible doc-l command to list the all module installed on a system. You can also use Ansible docs to view the documentation of particular module by name and find the information about what arguments the module take and option. The following table lists the number of useful modules that every system admin should know. So the first, I have listed some category of the modules. I have listed here the four category. The first category is file modules. Under file modules, we have a copy, file, inline, synchronization. So copy module we use to copy local file to manage host. File modules we use to set a permission and another property of the file. Inline modules we use to ensure the line in or in not in a file, and synchronized module we use to synchronize the content using rsync. The next category is software package modules. Under software package modules, we have a couple of modules like package, yum, apt, dnf, jam, pip, and we use these modules to install the package and update the package on remote host. The next is system modules. Under system modules, we have firewall D, reboot, service, user app. So firewall D, we use manage arbitrary port and service using firewall D, reboot to reboot the machine, and service that manage the service on remote host. User module can add, remove, manage user account. And the last one is net tool modules. Under net tools modules, we have a get URL module, NMCLI modules, URI modules. So I will show you one example. The following ad hoc commands use the user modules to ensure the Gotham user exists and has UID 1001 on VM2. So let me run this command on my lab demo server. Sure? Yeah. So here web server is a group under which I have added the remote host entry, and user is module. Under user module, we need to add some additional argument that I have added name Gotham, UID, and a state percent. So let me run this command. Yeah. So I found some error because type mistake. Yeah. You can see the output. Name is Gotham, UID is 100, a state is present. So in this way, you can run another ad hoc commands as per your need. Now I will move to the next section of this video, that is running arbitrary commands on manage host. The command modules allow administrator to run arbitrary command on command line of manage host. The command line to be run is specified as an argument to the module using minus a option. Already I have explained this. We can use minus a option to add the additional argument for that particular module. For example, following command run host name command on manage host. reference by dev server group. So let me run this command on my Ansible control node. Yeah, you can see this two-line output. First, the previous ad hoc command example return two line are the output for each managed host. The first line is a status report showing the name of managed host that ad hoc operation run on as well as the outcomes of the operation. The second line is the output of the command executed remotely using Ansible command module. If you want output in a single line, you can use -o option here. Yeah, you can see output in a single line. Yeah. Now I will move further. So for situation where commands require shell processing, administrator can use shell module like command module. You pass the commands to execute as argument to module in ad hoc command. Ansible then execute the command remotely on managed host. Unlike command module, commands are processed through the shell on managed host. Therefore, the shell environment variables are accessible and shell operations such as redirection, piping are also available for the use. I will show you the example where you can see the very clear difference in command and shell module, where you can use command module, where you can use shell module. The following example illustrates the difference between command and shell modules. If you try to execute built-in bash command set with these two modules, it only succeeds with shell modules. Let me show you in my lab. Here. First, I will try with command module. Yeah, error you found. Now I will try with shell module. You can see the output. So now I will move to the last section of this video, configuring connection for ad hoc command. The directory for manage host and privilege expression can be configured in Ansible configuration file. I have already explained all the directory in my previous video. If you want to know about each directory in more details, you can refer my previous video. And here, so friends, here you can use all the directory in ad hoc commands also to perform some tasks. Like you can use -i option to mention the path of the inventory file. You can use -u option. Already I have shown you the example there where I have used -u option to mention the remote host username. You can use -b to become. You can use hyphen become method. You can use hyphen become user, and you can use this hyphen ask become pass. So all these directory you can use to perform uh, to run ad hoc commands to do the some quick test on remote host. So in this video, I have explained what is ad hoc command, how to perform the ad hoc command, what is arbitrary commands, and how we can use all the directory of default exclamation sections of configuration file in ad hoc commands. So I can show you some more example here also. Like if you want to list the disk space of remote host, so you can do in this way. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can leave your comment in video comment section, and you can also leave your comment on my website. I will also share the link of this website. And please like this video if it is helpful for you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the direct notification if I will upload any new video.